guys, so I just picked up some final snacks on my trip in my little bag right here. I left work. Guess what? You know how like the day before you leave for a trip and you want to stay late at work? You want to just get all this stuff done? I was determined. I was committed. I was supposed to leave at 4 p.m. Do you know what happened at 3:59? I'm not playing. The internet went out, forcing me to go home. God is just, you know what I'm saying?
So now your pet is confused. Your pet.
Guys, the Uber driver just dropped off this package. This has my sister's shirt in it. We designed shirts for her birthday. Okay, so if you're new here, I just wanted to let you know that we're planning a whole trip to Jamaica, my mom's side of the family, and we're celebrating my mom's 70th birthday and my sister's 40th birthday. So it's a big trip, like over 30 people are going. It's my first time in Jamaica. It's my first time. Maybe I was in the womb last time, but it's officially my first time. I am excited. These are shirts that I made for my sister because I love my sister. So let's get back into it. Here. Yeah, where's her shirt at? Okay, I see it. All right, so this is, oh, they're cute. This is, they look good quality too. And then her shirt is, I'm so mad at this font. Like, I was so mad at this woman. I don't like the shirt. At first, the lady told me that she was going to get a darker pink in, so I sent her this new design. But then she was sick in the office today, and then the one that was working it made basically... So these are our shirts. This is, our shirts are white. They're really nice. I think they look really nice. And in reality, she was sick today, and I would have gone with this color anyway. This is Kim's shirt. Do y'all think it's cute? I believe it's the day before the trip. I've been anticipating this trip for weeks and months. I'm so excited. I just can't wait to get to Jamaica by God's grace, and I have to finish my hair. I am literally uploading a video right now for a client. I'm like literally finished packing. Let me show y'all what I've done with my packing. Okay, so my bag is pretty much packed. This is saving a space for my toiletry bag. Oh my gosh, I have to do my nails. It just reminded me, and my eyelashes and my eyebrow. Jesus. Girl. The night just got shorter. I think I packed pretty well. I don't think I packed that crazy. I literally put all my outfits, 1 to 2 outfits in bags like this. And then I have them sectioned off. This is like pajamas, things like that. I'm just throwing this on top because we ain't got no mistakes. It's officially the night before, and I am doing my eyebrows henna. First time I've ever done this. But you know, the best time. Did you ever know that? The best time to try something new is before vacation. Did you know that? So we just gonna, Lord, we just touch and agree that these eyebrows, look, that looking like tarantula. Oh my gosh. Lord, we touch and agree that these eyebrows. See, I want it like, that's what I want. That's what I want. I remember it was my 23rd birthday, and everybody, I had like a big party, and it was a friend that I went to school with since like 4th grade, and I made the mistake of telling him that my eyebrows took me an hour to do, and I feel like that's the reason why he maybe he don't date black girls no more, you know. I'm trying to forgive myself for that, but it's hard. It's hard. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. You know, I didn't have no business. You know, that look. Ooh, hold on. Let me get off this phone, y'all. I done made me a unibrow. Hold on. Not me looking my lip. Is it cute? Is it cute or is it cute? Don't tell me. Is it cute or is it cute? I feel like that's cute. That's like, oh, hey, girl. And that's like, ooh. Girl. Going on vacation. Okay, so it's currently 2:36 a.m. I literally still have my henna on my brows. It's rock hard, y'all, and I did my lashes. Y'all, I need to go to sleep, but I still have a project to finish for a client. Yeah, I still need to clean my kitchen because you don't leave the house on vacation. I need a clean house. I need everything is clean but my kitchen. I don't care. I have to be at work at 8:30. This is crazy. This is crazy, but we're gonna get it done. All right, let's go. I'm really excited about this energy snack that I made. We have like the dried bananas, cashews, cranberries. Oh my gosh, my pumpkin seeds. It's okay. It can't fit. Walnuts, which this is like the star of the show, honestly. I have craving for walnuts right now. And then I have these homemade nut seed crackers that I have in here. So these are chock full of everything. Flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, everything. Sesame seeds. So that's what's in here. It is nice and packed. Should last me the whole 10 days. All right, you guys, I'm on my way to work. I went to sleep at 7. I woke up at 8:30. I was supposed to be to work at 8:30. I don't know if you remember, but the weekend that Microsoft failed and Delta flights were delayed for like 3 weeks, the day that it happened was the day I was flying out. The day it happened. So I remember I woke up, like I got an hour and a half of sleep. And I woke up, my sister was texting me. She was like, you're gonna have to look for another flight. And I was like, yeah, my flight was delayed, but I didn't understand what was going on. I had to work. My plan was to take my luggage to my job. But then I was like, I live 20 minutes from work. Let me just ride the bike to my job, ride the bike home, then go to the airport from my house. It was crazy, y'all. It was crazy. My flight was delayed. My flight was canceled. And I still, just wait. And it's now 8:55 and I'm going to work. So, you know, we just gotta do what we gotta do. My goal is to leave work today at 10:45. So literally get there, just be there in and out, have a quick meeting with my boss, and let's go, let's get it.